Hi guys, I'm Dr. Behnam, board certified dermatologist and I practice in Los Angeles, California. Welcome to another stem cell hair restoration video. And I'm Dr. Behnam. So I pioneered stem cell hair restoration back in 2016 in the US and was one of the first people to do it in 2016. So I'm going to show you another before and after photo of one of my patients who does stem cell. So remember, stem cell, they exist in many different concentrations. The one that we use is the highest quality, highest caliber, highest concentration stem cells, which is 30 million stem cells. We mix it with your own blood, which is basically PRP. So you come in, we draw your blood, we do a 60 ml PRP, mix it with the stem cell, we numb the area and then inject it. And the whole goal is basically to cause more hair growth. Now, not everyone is a candidate for stem cells. So the best patients that are stem cell candidates are the ones that when you look at the scalp, the areas you could see thinning of the scalp, but there's still some hair. Remember, stem cells are not magical. It doesn't create new hairs. And so you cannot do it like in these areas where you have no hair. Some hairs have to exist, and these are what we call miniaturized hair follicles. So when we inject stem cell in here, and every time we do it, we actually numb you, you're fully numb. We use laughing gas and physical injections. So we do almost about 500 to 700 pokes in this area. Again, you're quite numb. And then we see you back in 4 months. Typically, the results of stem cells last about a year to year and a half. So this is a patient who we had done in January of 2023, and we just saw the patient back in May of 2023. So this is him before. He was very concerned about this area. It was really bothering him a lot. He had used basic topical medications, minoxidil or finasteride, but nothing was really helping this area. So, and this is him afterwards. So as you could tell, basically, so that's before and that's after. This area here grew out quite a bit. So, and what happened was that the stem cell took a lot of those miniaturized, thinner, smaller hairs and thickened them up. That's what the stem cell did, along with the PRP. So, and this is him afterwards. He's very happy, he's super excited. He was actually very skeptical at the beginning and he didn't know that it's gonna work, but one of his friends had come and seen me and we'd done a stem cell and he had really good results, so he came as well. So again, so this is a before and after photo of a PRP stem cell hair restoration. This gentleman in his 50s, and this is about 4 months basically after the procedure, and he got a pretty good result. Remember, stem cells are not FDA approved, but we do use them for basically by using all FDA protocols. We follow all FDA protocols, and we do not inject any stem cells into the patients through IV. We only mix them with your PRP and inject them right here. Well, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.